Thank you for watching Lira Scoop. We are glad you are here.
Job creation. It is very key.
My name is William Zokweda. I work as a regional manager with the Microfinance Support Center. We are here in Lira on a mission to sensitize the communities of northern Uganda, particularly on Islamic financing. This is one part of a nationwide campaign that we've been enrolling to ensure that we promote financial inclusion for socio-economic transformation. We believe that with Islamic financing, everybody will be brought on board, as it is a participatory approach to financing where we are looking at eradication of poverty, whereby even those that do not have the basics are brought on board. For instance, the communities in the rural areas that do not have access to assets to pledge as security are able to be included through a participatory approach where they have capital, they have the knowledge, and we are coming in with the financing to ensure that they are able to engage in productive economic activities. Islamic financing embodies financing where there is tangibility of assets. We are financing productive assets that will lead into income generations for the communities and enhancing incomes at household level. Unlike conventional financing, Islamic financing is guided by the principles of Sharia. In this, we are talking about financing that forbids charging of interest. Under Islamic financing, money is viewed as a medium of exchange and should not therefore be traded into. You are not supposed to charge extra money for exchange of money, but rather financing, giving money that will generate profits through trading activities. Like I said, under Islamic financing, we are not talking about interest, but we are talking about profit sharing. Here we are looking at how much money has your business generated. Can we be able to share these profits that you've made, as opposed to conventional financing where interest is fixed and you're able to pay interest on money. And that is viewed as extra addition on money lent out. One thing I need to clarify is that Islamic financing is not only for the Muslims. Therefore, even then, we are aware there are Muslim communities that do not believe in financing that involves interest. This comes in handy to ensure that even those that have been excluded on the basis of their faith, that never believed in interest, are able to be brought on board, because we are not here charging interest. So therefore, with Islamic financing, we are providing a range of options that communities, that citizens can choose from. If you feel you were excluded from financing because conventional financing or charging interest, now here comes an option that you can be able to involve in tangible financing that involves assets but also sharing profits. We follow a guideline at Microfinance Support Center. We follow a guideline, and we have financing limits, and all of them fall within the policy guideline that we lend upon. We do not have a specific amount of money set specifically under this, but we have money available that whoever feels he wants to take on Islamic financing is welcome, and will be able to subject them to the normal operational mechanisms.
I'm called Sheikh Badi A. Faraj, Deputy Kadi Acholi. We are in Gulu we are in Lira for a training as far as the Islamic banking is concerned, being held by Micro Support Center. Micro Support Center is a government initiative for everybody. We are having training on Islamic banking. As we know, with the Muslims, giving loan to a Muslims where there is interest is not allowed. Therefore, Micro Support Center has come up with the Islamic banking, which is giving soft loans to the Muslim community and everybody. It is not only for the Muslims, but for whoever is interested in doing interest-free business. That is the loan without interest. So it is a very good initiative which has come, which everybody is vying to take. So I've seen to it that this one will invite very many Muslims and non-Muslim alike to join the business. Because most importantly, if you receive that product, maybe if you are given like a motorcycle, you are doing with it business, the profit you are getting, you will share with the Micro Support Center or any organization which has taken to Islamic banking, which is very, very good initiative. In Islam, loan is prohibited because of interest. Islam says if you give somebody 100,000 to invest in business, at the end of the day, that person should be able to give you back 100,000, not to give you back maybe 110,000. It means you have not helped that person, but you have burdened him. That person will be working for you. That person will be working tirelessly to achieve that target so that he pays back the money. By the end of the day, when the person is refunding that money, you will find that the person is even broke because the person has been working for you. But in this system here, you will find that the business you are doing, if you get a profit of like you get 100,000, this 100,000 you can be able to share. You give the 50 to the other person who gave you the loan, and you remain with the 50. When it comes to getting losses, the losses you will also share. So it is a tit for tat kind of thing. That is the beauty about the Islamic banking. The Muslim community in Lira, in Gulu, in Uganda, as well as the non-Muslims, this one has come for everybody. It is not only targeting the Muslims, but it is targeting all the community, all the poor, the vulnerable. You are welcome to join the Islamic banking system. Right now, we have Micro Support Center, which has come up, has taken up that initiative. Wherever we are, let us go to Microfinance Support Center so that we get more knowledge about the Islamic banking, which is very, very good, very helping, very friendly. So I welcome everybody to come on board and join.
My name is Yan Lilian, RDC Lira District. Today we are privileged to host Micro Support Center, who has come to train our group leaders on Islamic financing. We are aware that as a country we have been engaged in conventional financing with a number of banks, but here now comes the Islamic financing, which is looking at no interests to our groups, to our circles, to our cooperatives, as opposed to the conventional one that was charging interest. As a leader, I see this as a better approach to economic development, because the interest rate has been a reason why groups are not taking off, because they would get a loan, you find the business is booming. By the time it's completing to pay the loan, the business is also collapsing because the interest rates have been high and then the payment was now matched because of those interests, and therefore the business would go. But this is a good partnership that I encourage all our leaders to embrace, because one, it is non-partisan on religion, on politics, on everything. But it is also a good one that you agree on how you are going to share, one, the profits, and another one, the losses. So that if the profit is there, then the bank is benefiting, and also the group and the clients are benefiting. And when there are losses, much of the losses will go to the Micro Support Center or to the Islamic financing that gives the group a chance to rise up again even when there are losses. So this is one that we should embrace, and we want to popularize it to let many of our groups benefit from it. Above all, it has cost plus sharing, that our groups can also get a venture to buy assets and resell. For example, they can buy motorcycles, they can buy vehicles, they add on the insurance, they add on their profit, and then the clients take them. Now the client will be benefiting, that is having his asset that is able to make him prosper, but also the group will be developing because the profits from the assets are there. This is one of our best.
I am called Gary Daniels Weng. I am the General Secretary for the group called Maroji Youth Village Savings and Loans Association, which is mainly based in Apache municipality. Today I'm very happy for the opportunity that the microfinance has given to various group to come and train them, make them know more about the microfinance. I'm very happy because I'm one of the beneficiaries from microfinance. Before, I also want to thank so much the government of Uganda for the support they give to microfinance. Indeed, the loan the government has given, the support the government has given to microfinance, I could say really has impacted a lot to the life of the community. Because first of all, the money are given and the interest loan is very, very, very low, which is very affordable. You imagine you get a loan and you pay an interest of 8% per annum, which is very, 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 it is very easy and easy to comply with. So I want to appreciate the government so much. As a beneficiary, we are happy. And we also thank the microfinance for also standing firm and helping the member. Yeah, the money has benefited the members, as I can say, because right now, if I see the position of our members, we found that there is a lot of improvement in their livelihood. Members have involved themselves in various businesses, and they are doing quite very well. The money given to us, we give to members according to their interest, the amount they want, and the members put the money into the youth very well. The month we were given 20 million since it was our first time to benefit from the fund. So at first we were given 20 million, and this is so far our 8th month that we have been paying it back. Actually, we are about 30 members that is using the money, but we are registering a lot of many people that want to join the group because they have seen how we are using the money, how the money is impacting seriously into our life for those who have gotten the money.
Thank you for watching Lira Scoop. We are glad you are here.